Welcome back, Patriots! The Cooking Club is back once again with another tasty Hispanic treat in honor of Hispanic Heritage Month. This one is a classic that I'm sure you have seen and probably even eaten. Today, the Cooking Club is going to teach us how to make a snack named quesadilla. To make this Hispanic snack, you'll first need to put cooking spray on your cooking surface. Next, put your tortillas on the stove. Then flip your tortillas. Don't let them sit too long. When they get hot, flip the tortilla again. After that, put cheese and chicken on your tortilla. Yummy! Then fold your tortilla into a semicircle shape. After folding the tortilla, cut it into 3 even pieces. Finally, put salsa, guacamole, and sour cream. Wow, Patriots, the quesadillas look absolutely delicious.
Ready?
Now it's the best part. Time to eat away!
Yum. I think that's the one that Hiroshi left there. No, be quiet. We didn't want it before.
Just look at all those happy faces. See you next year, Patriots, and happy Hispanic Heritage Month.